boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. It's best-selling author Mickey D with The Scoop. I wanna thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure, it's an honor to be on your electronic device. Just inside Planet 13. Today is the grand opening of their phase 2, and they've got the food going, and they've got the cafe going, and Larry and Bob are there greeting people, and it was so good to see them, so good to talk to them as always. Bob's got to run, but I'm going to get a quick interview with Larry real quick if we can get inside. You know, my friends, all the it's a big day. There's a lot going on here. You know, I'm an author. This is for your education and your entertainment only. I'm not a stockbroker. I'm not a money manager. You can get my books on Amazon.com. You can get the audiobook, the paperback book, or the ebook, my friends. Just go to Mickey D and get those books, my friends. And I'm going to go ahead and pause this, and we're going to go inside and chat and see phase 2 of Planet 13 today. But what it's good seeing you.
Good seeing you, man.
Yeah, it's been a little while.
And good seeing you in the Planet 13.
Yeah, it's been a while since we walked through here, and we saw nothing here a while back. But now your vision has been fulfilled, man. And
well, this is our vision, phase 2.
Phase 2.
Now we go right into phase 3 and start building this thing all the way out to the north end of the building. So.
Yeah. What we're going to do is we're just going to take a little tour today.
Okay.
And this is like our 14th show here, The Scoop.
Fantastic.
You know, we've been on top of you guys since before this thing even started.
No,
so,
I remember the first time I met you.
Yeah, we walked through.
Let's do it.
I tell that story all the time. With people of just walking through. Let's go a little walk through
here.
Okay. Here.
So we're going into Perk now, the restaurant. And Bistro, pizzeria.
The pizzeria, and look at that.
And it literally just opened about 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago. We're taking a personal tour with the co-CEO here, you guys.
Let's walk
we're walking in
the event center.
The event center back here.
So this is all part of the restaurant back here.
Yeah. Oh, this is going to be really nice.
Yeah, just finishing touches right now. It'll be a few hours waiting for beer to get in to stock the bars. But this is all part of the restaurant.
All part of it. Look at this. This is where you'll be touring people all over the world.
Absolutely.
Companies would die to have 3,000 visitors like they do.
Yeah.
Daily.
Here. So let's walk down here. We'll go back through the ropes for a minute.
Okay.
And this will give everybody a chance to see what's happening. This will probably open here another week.
Another week or so, okay.
Yeah, we're just waiting on final permits and inspections, but this is the production facility.
Okay.
3,500 feet of which are now behind glass. So customers can watch beverages being manufactured, gummies, chocolates, all here. And then there will be automatic kiosks here throughout the hallway where when, for instance, you see Elysium beverages being manufactured, that'll pulse that sign. And then on the kiosk, they'll have an opportunity to see exactly what's being manufactured in front of them. And if they like it, they can actually place an order off of that, get it in the dispensary when they're ready to leave.
Boom, right there, within minutes.
Yeah, same with beverages, chocolates, gummies, the whole thing. So, and then there'll be robotics in here. It's going to be highly automated. Really a cool feature. And then as we go down to the end of the hall, you'll see the Volkswagen van here. These are all photo ops. This is all
going to be
wallpaper that'll be installed today, actually, this afternoon. But so people can come down in the van. There'll be a luggage rack on it. Old 60s kind of placards and stuff they're getting ready to install. And then a little smoke feature just for photo ops with Las Vegas in the background. Just something cool for people to enjoy while they're here. So.
Oh, wow. It's going to be really, really good here.
And then this
is
hallway,
great.
You saw the orbs, of course, and the dispensary. Well, now the grand hallway will have butterflies flying up and down every hour.
Wow.
So robotic butterflies, first of their kind in the world. So very excited.
Wow.
About that.
Yeah.
That'll come out right about the time the MJ BizCon show in December. So.
Oh, wow. This place is going to be packed.
Oh, yeah.
Because I talk to people all over, and people that listen to The Scoop, they really ask me all the time about Planet 13, about what's going on there. How is it really like that? Is it really like that? And I tell them, this is the number one in the world.
Well, and
So-
it's all about a destination, right? We want
Yeah.
people to come here, spend time, hang out, sit in a
Hang
coffee
out.
cup for a while, and
Sure.
play with your Wi-Fi, drink a cup of coffee, have something to eat. Maybe go into the dispensary. That's the whole idea
That's
here.
the deal.
This is Vegas. Have fun.
Vegas.
Put it all together.
That's what I'm going to do. And I know you have an appointment. I want to thank you for your
My
time.
pleasure.
It's
As
been
always.
great. Always
As
good to
always.
see you. Good
Yeah,
to see
thanks,
you, man.
Thank you.
You
very
take care.
much.
We'll be
All right.
we'll be on you.
Come back and see me about a week or so, and when we open that up, I'll walk you back through the back of it.
Okay.
All right.
Great. Take care. CEO Bob Groesbeck of Planet 13. Like I've been telling everybody, this is a great little spot, great people, and this is a place, a destination that you definitely have to see. There are really good people here at Planet 13. If you ever get to Vegas, Planet 13 is the spot. With that said, have a great day. You can see it's open. There are people here. I don't want to look at the menus or anything, but it's really a great spot, my friends. Love you. God bless you. I'll have some links for you at the bottom. Take care of you and your family. This has been the grand opening of Phase 2 of Planet 13. Have a great day. God bless you.